Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover how to boost your Shopify store traffic using Story's Traffic Booster. I'll walk you through the step-by-step setup process and show you how you can drive more traffic to your store using this AI-powered tool. Plus, I'll share some key tips on how to optimize it for the best results. If you're ready to take your Shopify store to the next level and want a tool that's easy to use, keep watching. And if you'd like to get started with Story's Traffic Booster at a special deal, click the link in the description below to get an exclusive deal on your subscription. But first, let's understand what exactly is Story's Traffic Booster. Essentially, it's an AI-powered tool that helps you drive more traffic and sales to your Shopify store by running automated ad campaigns on Google and Facebook. It's used by over 500,000 merchants worldwide, so it's definitely a tried and true solution. To get started, what you need to do is head over to Story's website, which is storia.com, or even better, click the link in the description down below so that you'd be able to avail our special deal that we have for you on your subscription. And then once you're here in the website, click on Get Started Now. And from here, you would need to enter your email address to log in or create an account. Once you have entered your email address, click on the Next button. And from here, you would now need to input your password to log in or create a password. Once you're done, click on Login. So once you have finished logging in or creating your account, you will now be prompted here into the setup page of Storia. And from here, you'd be able to see all of the products they have to offer. But in this video, we will be choosing Traffic Booster. So click here on Manage App to start setting it up. Alright, so now here we are on the app settings. So this is where we can set up our Traffic Booster. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to select the type of business we are running, whether it's e-commerce or a service provider. For this tutorial, we will be choosing e-commerce. Next, choose the category of our business. So Storia has various options like books, gifts, flowers, fashion, and many more. If your category isn't listed, don't worry, you can just choose other here at the very bottom. And then the next step is that you'll need to input your store's domain. If you're using Shopify, enter your Shopify URL. Otherwise, just enter the homepage of your e-commerce platform. This is important because Story's AI will scan your entire product catalog and optimize your campaigns based on what you're selling. You can also add specific product pages or categories that you want to promote. This is especially useful if you want to focus on certain bestsellers or seasonal items. Now let's move to targeting. You can choose the country or countries you want to target. For example, if your primary audience is in the United States or Canada, select those. You'll also need to specify the age range and gender of your ideal customers. For instance, I'll select the age ranges 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and 45 to 54, and choose both genders. Storia also allows you to input specific keywords to refine your targeting further. This helps their AI deliver ads to the most relevant audience. For instance, since I am selling men's fashion, I can input keywords like black tank top or black coat to ensure that the right people see your ads. And lastly is to choose a plan. Storia offers several pricing plans. The basic plan starts at $120 per month and brings in estimated 250 to 500 visitors. They also offer standard and pro plans, with each level offering higher traffic and visitor estimates. I suggest starting with the basic plan to test the waters and then upgrading as your store starts generating more sales. One thing to keep in mind is that the ad budget is already included in the plan, so you are not paying extra for ads like you would with an agency. The price you pay includes everything. And take note that prices include a 33% discount for the first month, so I highly suggest that you use the link in the description. And now, once you are satisfied with what you have input here as your app settings in your Traffic Booster, the next thing is you want to click here on Get Traffic button to proceed. And in here, you would need to input your payment information. After that, your ad campaign will be live within 48 hours pending approval from Google. From there, Story's AI takes over, continuously optimizing your campaigns around the clock. And now, after some time that your campaign has gone live, you may now go back in here into the products page to go to your dashboard and see your stats. So from here, click on Manage App under Traffic Booster. And from here, these are your stats. So the first one is the visitors driven. This is where you can see it. And then the cost, the total number of orders, and your total revenue. And then the next thing is the customized report. You can choose your ad channel that you would want to see the stats in, and then you can choose the time frame. And then from here, you can see your visitors and your cost versus revenue. And now you can also see it right here. So you have your total right here. You have your visits, your cost, your orders, revenue, and ROAS. So ROAS is your return on ad spend, which you can also see right here. And these are your total revenue channels. So you can see it right here in this graph on how much revenue you are getting per channel. And then if you have more budget, you can also choose to upgrade your plan here. So let's say you want to scale this up right here. So the more you spend, the more monthly visitors and monthly sales you get. So scale as much as you want. And you can click here and continue to payment if you want to proceed in upgrading your plan. And now let's say after seeing all of these stats right here, you have concluded that you need to change something in your app settings to improve your results. So what you would need to do is go here into your dashboard and click here on edit settings. And from here, you would now be able to edit your settings by clicking here on edit settings anyway. And then from here, you will now be able to change them as you would want. And remember that you would need to change this wisely because it might take some time for the changes to be made into your campaign. So be careful when changing your settings right here. Once you're all done, click here on update campaigns, and that is basically it. And now that wraps up this quick tutorial on how to use Storia's Traffic Booster to drive more traffic to your Shopify store. Remember, if you are interested in boosting your traffic with Storia, you can get a 33% discount on your first month by clicking the link in the description below. This is the perfect time to give it a try and see the results yourself. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out the link in the description for that exclusive discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.